All right, I am going to run you through the directions for your independent practice for Module 3. It's going to be another choice menu. We've done this a couple times already, so you guys are familiar with it, but I will run you through it anyways. I want you to choose 2 of the activities below here, okay? There are 5 to choose from. You are doing 2, all right? I will explain each one, show you where it needs to go, and then you will have the rest of class today to finish those 2 activities. So choice 1, pretend you are Gandhi and write a letter to Martin Luther King Jr. trying to convince him to use nonviolence in his resistant movement. You need to write at least 4 sentences. So what you're going to do is, if you're like, oh yeah, I like that one, I want to do that, you're going to highlight it, just like you would here, okay? You're going to highlight your choice, and then you'll come down to choice 1, and then you can use these sentence stems or you can write your own, that's fine, but you need to write 4 sentences in the spot for choice 1. Choice 2, you get to argue. Many of you enjoy that. Based on what you know, who do you think was the more successful leader, Martin Luther King Jr. or Mahatma Gandhi? Hint, look at Module 2 for documents about Gandhi. So that would be from yesterday. So you're going to come here to choice 2 and answer these questions. Use these sentence stems here to help guide your thinking. And remember, if you want to do that, highlight it. Choice number 3, create a list of 5 questions that Martin Luther King might have asked Gandhi before starting his protests. Then pretend to be Gandhi and answer those 5 questions. So let's go down to choice 3. So you're going to say, like, before Martin Luther King Jr. actually did led the Montgomery bus boycott, you're going to say, like, what are things that he would have asked Gandhi about that he needed to know in preparation for a resistant movement? And then you're going to pretend to be Gandhi and answer those questions. Choice 4, find 3 pieces of evidence that prove that Martin Luther King was influenced by Mahatma Gandhi. That can be in this reading up here. That's probably what you would want to do. All right. And then you're going to put those 3 pieces of evidence here. And then number 5 is a movie poster. So some of you guys did the movie poster last week and they were pretty cool. So you could do another movie poster where you're creating a movie about one of our leaders that we're talking about today. Okay. The poster needs a title and at least 3 items: people, landscapes, objects, and then keep in mind that people want to see it, okay? Put some effort into it and try your best. So then that's going to go in number 5 here. You can either send me that picture through email or Teams or text it. And then for your mastery check, you don't have one today. That is my birthday present to you guys. So you only had the 2 mastery checks and then these 3 modules that you need to get in, and then you are done for the week.